Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. There are so many all dispensers out there, but I have to say, I think I found the best ones from Verspace. This is what I was using before I got these. I know, don't judge me, but talk about an upgrade. This two-pack is so beautiful and elegant and really elevated my kitchen. They come in gold and white, but there's also black for when I want to switch things up. Apart from the looks, these are high quality, sturdy bottles. I know these are going to last me for years to come. Now, I've actually had bottles like this before, but the reason I stopped using them was because it leaked. But with these, it didn't matter what direction I was pouring, I had no issues, so I had no mess to clean up because, if you're already cooking, the last thing you want is more things to have to clean. Speaking of no mess, even the labels are waterproof, so it was easy to wipe off with the added bonus that I can cleanly remove them if I want to swap the labels out or if I attached it crooked, which I did a few times, but I was able to readjust it with no problem. I love that it came with its own silicone tray too, which is also high quality. This adds to the elegance without me worrying about it breaking. There's really not much else to say other than add it to your cart because I think you're going to love it, but that's just my point of view.